So I just got done my clean out for the day. Ran 7.5 buckets. 3 of the big ones, 3 sets of 2, and 3 of the little guys. So 7.5 buckets. And this is what I found today. It's not a bad day. Been down here for about 3 hours. Considering now it's starting to rain pretty hard. It was snowing and hailing earlier. So I think I'm gonna pack up and I'm gonna get out of here. You can see the rain starting to fall into the pan. And I don't want to get soaked. It was snowing about 30 seconds ago. So once I get my pack uncovered, I don't want to get that all wet and have that weigh another 20 pounds. So it's time to pack up and go. But it was a good run of the GoldiBox today. And we did the final test of the wedgie. She just needs a little more silicone on the side for a better friction fit. But she caught the majority of the gold today. Very little gold. Almost no gold in the last half of the sluice. It's crazy. Everything gets caught up front. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Hopefully I'll get more than 14 subscribers. But if not, I just want to thank the 14 subscribers that I have for watching. And shout out to all of my peeps. All right, hope everybody's doing well.